Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment. Make sure Python 3.7 or newer is available and in your path. Once done, install Yt-dlp with pip3, install Yt-dlp, or use your distro package manager for a system binary. After installation, verify it works by running Yt-dlp version and probing a target with Yt-dlp FURL to list formats. This immediate check confirms you can proceed to choose formats and build download commands without wasting time. You now pick the right formats and options, run Yt-dlp F to see available streams, and then use F with explicit codes or a selector like bestvideoext equals mp4 plus bestaudio/best to ensure compatibility. Make sure to set output templates with O%, title S%, ID S, %ext S so files are organized. If subtitles, cookies, or login are required, include right sublang n cookies, txt, or username/password. These choices control quality, container, and access. Finish by automating and finalizing. Supply batch file list. txt or pipe URLs in a shell loop to handle many items, and use post-processing flags like merge output format mp4, embed subs, and admer data to get polished files. Make sure to update Yt-dlp frequently with pip3 install Yt-dlp. If something goes wrong, run the same command with verbose to see details, then clear cache with rm cache dir and update before retrying. This troubleshooting step quickly resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.